guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, February 2nd. I already posted a video yesterday with my TikTok dance tutorials. I did about like 4 or 5 dance tutorials. So if you're confused like I used to be about TikTok dances, just go and watch it. Maybe it'll help you. But today I got my new AirPods case. It's blue and it's very protective. My parents wanted to get the best one even though it was like $25. But here it is. Since my brother peeled off the sticker, it doesn't have our mailing address, but here's the box. And I'm gonna open it. I'll put a picture in of how they looked before, but it's just like basically what all the other AirPods look like. White, and unless you get like those cheap ones, they're not. They're gonna be white. So yeah. We don't really order stuff a lot for me, so this is like one of the only things that I order. And I got a text from Amazon saying that they sent a picture of my front door, but I didn't save it, so I wish I did save it. Maybe I can go through and find it. If I can find it, I'll put it there. Because no one ever came to our front door and gave it to us, so I guess it's fine. So that's all. This is what it is. It's waterproof. It has 360 total protection. It's drop proof, and it's from the brand called Catalyst. I think it was like $25, $20, $30, I don't know. But here's what it looks like. I'll put it on my AirPods. I'm gonna throw all this away before I put them on, and then I'll come back and show y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on, and these are my AirPods. They're just white, and right now I think, let me see. I don't know, I'm trying to see if it would come up, but here's what it looks like. I think they're pretty much charged right now, but I just keep them in my case anyway. It looks pretty protective. And then this is the like keychain, instructions for everything, which I don't think I'll need it. It pretty much just goes in, I think. And then it has a charger thing. Wait. Mom, so I have to take it out every time I want to open it?
Thailand, Cambodia, and Laos. Malaysia.
I don't think so.
Because they're like stuck.
Don't break it. No,
Bring
there's supposed to be a top. Bring it here. Stop. Stop.
In
There's not really a top.
Nigeria, that's my flag.
You just.
And Norway, Finland, Sweden.
Doesn't look like you're supposed
And
to do
then
that.
my port in Europe. So yeah, what are you?
Okay. Yes, that'll work.
But most of them are supposed to be like, the top's open, so you can just click it open.
Where did it hit the box?
I am going to Paraguay or South America. Give it a try.
That's what it looks like.
I am March Asia country.
This thing.
We are in
Yeah, it's
Asia,
maybe it
Southeast Asia,
But the other one that was supposed to be good, it wouldn't shut when
Southeast Asia,
it had a
Southeast
top.
Asia.
I'm gonna try to find a
I'm
different one.
putting
actually,
Now,
can you
now,
do
nothing
Yeah, I
open
can
here.
just open it.
Nothing is up.
it? Yeah, pull it in.
But
No, you don't pull it out. Yeah, you pull it out. Yeah.
So last time, it's a island. So last time,
Okay.
So this snap, I guess it clicks open.
in that wood. Come
So they won't
now,
fall out?
now,
Not supposed to fall
now.
off.
I'm Chad,
It's supposed to
Chad,
open
Chad.
So when I'm charging it, just leave it open. And it won't fall off the table as easily.
Nigeria, Cameroon, Iraq,
I'll keep this box in there, just in case. I mean, I can't really send it back, I guess. It just has all the instructions in it.
Sudan, Nigeria, Cameroon,
Right, you don't like it, you
Central
throw it
African
back.
Republic,
I don't want to wait on another case.
and Poland.
It's cute.
Breathing here in the north.
So this is my case. It has a keychain. It's not as cute as all the other ones, but I don't really want to wait on another case. If you could probably hear what they're saying, I'm almost saying, but I just have to peel this down and open them like that. It's not gonna break it because that's what it's supposed to do.
Earpods. I want to see your earpod case. Let's see your earpod case.
And from the bottom, to charge it, you have to undo it like that.
I'll see your earpod.
It's right here. This is the brand if you're thinking about buying it. It was from Amazon. They just dropped it off like, I don't know, like 5 or 10 minutes ago. And they actually sent me a picture of my front door. So
La
that was funny.
Colombia, La Colombia.
You can drop it. You can, on the back it has like a button to connect it. So it's pretty cool.
So the earpods don't break?
I mean, technically, I guess they don't break, but yeah.
Look at Colombia. Colombia.
Yeah, so this was my AirPods case, like haul-ish. I don't know, it's not really a haul.
see Colombia. Very clever.
Yeah, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It's a Sunday. It's like kind of chill Sunday, so this was all the video was about. You can go and watch my unboxing my AirPods, which is just me showing you everything that was in the box. So, yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Love y'all.